So here's how to index Blogger post in Google Search Console. First of all, open up your web browser and search for Blogger. After that, click on the first link on the results, which is blogger.com. From here, click on Sign In on the top right corner and log in to your account. And as you can see, we're already logged in. Here, you will get to see your published website. So, click on the eye icon beside it and go over to your website. So here, you can see the complete URL of your Blogger website. So, select it all and copy it. After that, go over to a new tab on your browser and search Google Search Console. From here, click on the first link on the results. So once you're in the website, click on Start Now right here. After that, you can see Welcome to Google Search Console, and there are two options that you can choose from, domain and URL prefix. So on the domain section, paste in the URL of your Blogger website. And after that, you need to click on Continue. And that's it. Your Blogger post is now indexed on Google Search Console.